Hello sir, ako po si Erick alimpolos at ang grupo ko po ay si Kavin P Gonzales. Ito po ang aming PowerPoint presentation para sa aming thesis. Ang title po ay Social Distancing Tag with Body Temperature. Introduction. One way of limiting the spread of an infectious disease, for instance COVID-19, is to practice social distancing. This is not a new concept, as most societies have been aware of the value of keeping away from people who suffering from an infection for many generations. Dito nga, dahil po sa COVID-19, na-practice po natin yung social distancing para maiwasan po yung pagdikit-dikit ng tao sa mga public place. Background of the study. The coronavirus COVID-19 pandemic is the defining global health crisis of our time and the greatest challenge we have faced since World War II. Since its emergence in Asia late last year, the virus has spread to every continent except Antarctica. We have now reached the tragic milestone of 1 million deaths and the human family suffering under the almost intolerable burden of loss. The climbing death toll is staggering, and we must work together to slow the spread of the coronavirus. On the year 2020 now, that we have quite good technologies, we must take this as an advantage to lower the spreading of or even execute the COVID-19. Objective of the study. The main objective of the study is to create a social distancing tag to prevent the fast spreading of coronavirus. Number 1. Design a tag with ultrasonic sensor, LED and buzzer. 2. Monitor the body temperature that can display on LCD using LM35 sensor. Scope and limitation of the study. In case you were living under a rock for the past couple months, you are most likely aware of the deadly virus roaming the world right now. The government officials are advising everybody to keep social distance 1 meter. But I get it. Keeping track of our surrounding while you are buried in your device can be frustrating. That's why we built this system to help people with kind of problem and to help protect each other. This device focuses on social distancing act to prevent the spreading of virus. If one person is close about 1 meter and other person, it will alarm so that people is aware and have opportunity to protect themselves and keep distance. This study has a limitation. The social distancing tag can sense everything including animals and objects, so it's alarm once you have close contact to one of those, so you will need to focus more on your surrounding. Ito pong namin sir, itong social distancing na to sir, ay pati po hayop na o kaya bagay na 1 meter sa'yo po, ito po yung limitation nila, nag-a-alarm po siya. Conceptual model of the study. Dito po yung aming input. Knowledge requirements. A. Social distancing guide. B. COVID-19 awareness. C. Different type of distance sensor. D. Microcontroller. Software requirements. Arduino programming. Hardware requirements: ultrasonic, microcontroller, LED, buzzer, LCD, LM35 sensor. Sa process po, design prototype, development, tag with alarm for social distancing against pandemic, testing and improvement. At sa output po, social distancing tag with body temperatures, tsaka evaluation. Project design. The social distancing tag project is intended to fight the fast spreading of coronavirus disease. The prototype was designed with the following features. 1. The tag will read the owner temperature whenever he/she touch the LM35 sensor. 2. If the owner is close to other person below 1 meter, the tag will automatically turn on the LED light and start to alarm. 3. If the person walk away under 1 meter toward the owner, the alarm will stop. Testing procedure. Test if the Arduino Uno will turn on after connecting the 9 volts battery. Test if the LED will switch on after the ultrasonic sensor detects someone below 1 meter. Test if buzzer will alarm if the ultrasonic sensor detects someone below 1 meter. Test if the LCD will turn on once connected to the battery. Test if the LM35 sensor will read the body temperature. And yung huli po, fixed phone technician will work while wearing the social distancing tag. Evaluation procedure. The evaluation of the project involves hardware and software. It will be a trial and error process. It needs to have accurate distance requirements for social distancing act. In the demonstration, the researcher chose 50 respondents to rate our project and the survey, including the Pixphone PC trading employees. It has 25 different questions and is connected to the effective of the project. The researcher explained to the panel how the project works and also the benefits of using the demonstration. The researcher showed the field app and survey to see the project work properly. The question survey questionnaires consist of 5 scale. Based on the respondent satisfaction, it contains strongly agree, average, little, and no. The criteria will describe if the project is successful or need improvements. Flowchart. Ito po yung flowchart namin sa social distancing tag. Yan po. Start, sabay battery connected, ultrasonic sensor, sabay diretso po siya sa decision making na if yes, mag-alarm po siya, pupunta po siya alarm trigger, sabay continuous po yung alarm. Pag no naman po, in safe distance, sabay diretso end. Ito po sa body temperature. Start, sabay battery connected, rekta po sa LM sensor pag nahawakan po, sabay sa output po yung display body temperature on monitors. Component design for a tag. Ito po, Arduino po. Ito po yung magpapatakbo, sabay LCD. Dito po lalabas yung body temperature. Sabay LM35 yung magsisense po ng init ng katawan. 9 volts battery magpapatakbo po. Ultrasonic sensor para po siya po yung sa sensor ng 1 meter. LED ilaw po pag may lumapit na. Pag nag-buzzer, sabay po siyang tutunog, tsaka yung ilaw. Pre-survey evaluation. Criteria. Functionality, total average is 2.4. Pero ang madaming sagot po ay number 2. Aesthetic, total average po ay 1.96 fair. Pero madaming sagot po ay number 2 rin po. Workability, total average is 2.10 fair. Pinakamarami is number 2 din is fair. Economy, total average 1.94 fair. Number 2 din po yung pinakamadami. And safety, 2.62 good. Madami po sa number 3. And overall average functionality 2.04 fair, aesthetic 1.96 fair, workability 2.10 fair, economy 1.94 fair, safety 2.62 fair, overall average 2.13 fair. Ayun lang po sir para sa aming PowerPoint presentation. Salamat po.
Ito na po yung thesis namin. Social distancing tag with temperature. Ayan po. Arduino Uno po siya. Dalawang Arduino Uno. Isang LCD. Saka po 9 volts na battery. Ayan. Try po muna natin dito sa LCD. Ito po yung sa temperature. Ayan. Once na sinaksak nyo po siya, nahawakan nyo lang po itong LM35. Ayan. Kung saan nyo po makakuha yung temperature nyo. Ayan po. 34. Yan po yung temperature. And then pag inalis nyo po siya, bababa uli siya. Tapos po dito naman sa sensor na sa pang social distance, ito po, alisin nyo na po. Sasaksak po natin dito sa kabilang Arduino Uno. Yan. Pag below 1 meter po ang ano nyo, tutunog po siya.